Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming which Google account Chrome is using. This matters because sync affects that account. Once verified, export bookmarks and passwords or ensure backup is enabled so you can restore later. Next, open Settings, go to You and Google, then Sync. You'll see what's syncing. This is where you take control. Make these first changes deliberately, don't rush, because turning sync off without a backup can remove locally stored items you want to keep. Now adjust the granular settings. Toggle individual items like bookmarks, passwords, history, and extensions depending on what you need. Once done, choose encryption options if available. Encryption secures synced data on Google's servers, so make sure you understand the trade-offs. If you want to stop syncing only on this device, use the Turn Off Sync or Sign Out option. This preserves cloud copies unless you explicitly delete them. Make these middle steps carefully. They determine what remains in the cloud versus locally. Finish by confirming the sync indicator is gone and settings shows sync is off for that account. If you need to remove local copies, clear browsing data only after verifying backups or exported files. Once complete, restart Chrome to ensure changes persist. If something goes wrong, try re-enabling sync briefly, sign in again, or create a fresh Chrome profile to recover data. These steps often refresh account links and fix missing items. Keep backups handy to avoid data loss, always.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.